So, I'm going to teach you guys how to get these side hustles, gig economy jobs, contracts, medical courier, and auto parts. And we back with the great state of Virginia. We for love us. And I'm going to give you guys some sauce on the state of Virginia and how to actually find these courier contracts. So, everybody's been leaving comments on my last few videos, and I got the most comments around Virginia. But got a lot of comments from Texas and Florida, but I have already done Texas and Florida videos. So go ahead and check out that playlist, the states playlist in my channel. I got most of the states covered so far, but didn't do Virginia yet. So here we go. BA for lover, the CLDA website where I show everybody the best place to come and find work in your state or local town. Come to this website, clda.org. Find your delivery partner, click on that, and then you search what states you're in. So here are the ones from Virginia. So I already got the websites open up, and here we are, Expediting in America, American Expediting. Great company, they're everywhere. I've done a couple of videos on this company. I personally work for this company as well, doing on-demand work in my cargo van. They send me routes, they send me an email, say, hey, you want to do this? I say yes, and then I go and pick up the stuff and move it. It's that simple. Pay varies per job. The highest paying job I got was like $300 for about 220 miles, something like that. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a great company. And you can see, you just come here, independent contractors, and there we go, independent contractors. And then it has all the states listed down here. You can see everywhere it's at. Apple Courier is actually the one I got on with, and then they got bought out by American Expediting. So Atlanta, all the states. They definitely got Virginia. I don't even know any Virginia. Norfolk right there. What's another Virginia? Richmond. Yeah, Richmond, Virginia. So they're in places. They're generally near the larger cities, so you got to navigate to there to get the work, but they are in Virginia. Let's go to the next one, Virginia Beach. I haven't been to Virginia Beach since I was a kid. I need to go back out there. Virginia Beach, courier work. Here you go. You see some of the other locations, Jacksonville, Atlanta, Nashville. So this is another Virginia company. Next, you got Lasership. Lasership is a large company. They're pretty much everywhere. You can see they're in Virginia as well. Not sure what exact major cities they're out of, but you can come to the website and say you want to be deliver packages, and then sign up, and then the warehouse in Virginia will contact you. All right, so you just come here and go to Virginia. There you go. And then fill out all the information, all right? Very simple with Lasership. Next, we got Richmond Express. This is not a national company. This company is specifically for the Virginia, West Virginia, a little bit of Maryland, a little bit of North Carolina areas. So they probably have you going all up through there. And this is more regional work. And as I didn't say before, American Expediting, Express Errands, and On Track can use cars and SUVs. Now, this company looks like they mostly are hiring van drivers. But I don't see anything about applications, medical deliveries, delivery services, mail runs, join our team, and open position. So they got an email, and they got a click here where you can try to apply for some positions here. Driver, let's go Richmond, and we're driving so you got box trucks and van drivers. So we're just gonna pick van. So this one is probably only for the van drivers. Sorry, car SUV for Richmond Express. And Is this independent contractor or is this driving their van? Only paying $16 an hour. Not too good for a van. So you must be driving their van because I ain't putting no gas or miles on my car for $16. Not even in Virginia. Company car driver. Personal vehicle courier. Okay, they got different times. He was a personal vehicle courier. Maybe I lied. They do have smaller vehicles. Okay. So yeah, you just gotta know how to play around with the site, look into things. So Virginia's a lot of work for you guys. And then we got Big Dog T-Force, another national company. I covered them plenty of times as well. Opportunities. And find the work. Find your city, find the work. And moving right along, just in case you can't find any work on that website, you can always come to Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Craigslist, Glassdoor, type in independent contractor courier like I have here, and then followed by where you are, which is Virginia, what we're talking about today. And then search, and all these Virginia companies came up. Here's one, Fredericksburg, Virginia, Rooster Logistics. Drivers, independent couriers, night and day logistics. 13 up to 1,300 a month. What? Who? What? When? That definitely must be part-time, 1 day a week type work. Delivery driver, independent courier, U.S. Pack, another great national company. U.S. Pack, Yorktown, Virginia. This one's $72,000 to $97,000 a year. Harrisburg, Charlottesville. Mobile One Courier, AME Delivery Courier. So you can have all of these positions here. Looking to work night and day, 1,300, and click on that. U.S. Pack, small SUV, minivan, crossover. Yeah, Monday through Friday, 4-hour shifts. Get that money, guys. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you find work in your area. You know I'm here to help. Definitely pass this along to somebody in Virginia. Share this. And boss up, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm doing you a favor finding this work. All you have to do is just pay your like tax. Pay that like tax and hit the subscribe button, man. I know you're watching these videos. If you watch 2 or 3 or more of my videos and you gain value, just do me a favor, hit the subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime. All right, until next time, boss up, baby. And we out. Live Saturday morning podcast coming 10:30 every Saturday morning. Stay tuned. We are gone.